I'm Drew Glick at Brown Stevens, and we're here on the most prestigious street in the world. Welcome to apartment 11K at 860 Fifth Avenue. Come on in. The living room and dining expanse is made for entertaining while framing the most coveted views anywhere, Central Park and the famed New York City skyline. Features of this beautiful living space include antique Jerusalem stone walls and custom Bubinga cabinetry. Adjacent to the living room is a one-of-a-kind media room, which can function as a third bedroom. And with a flick of a switch, the glass goes from clear to opaque. The chef's kitchen is truly a cook's dream. Everything has been thought of, including a 7-burner stove, 2 dishwashers, 3 ovens, 2 sinks, side-by-side refrigerator freezer, and a built-in coffee maker. To top it off, the kitchen has a sunny breakfast room, perfect for casual dining. Spacious bedrooms, including oversized primary bedroom with a spa-like bathroom, separate office area, and those incredible park and city views.